If your lesson starts with answers, you've just trained your students to stop thinking. But what if class starts with questions? You're building the one skill AI can't touch, curiosity. Let's test this. I'll throw out 3 so-called dumb questions. Why do we dream? Why is yawning contagious? And why do whales beach themselves? They sound simple, even silly, but defending why they matter is the start of real critical thinking. Let's take the whale question. I ask AI, give me 5 rival explanations for why whales beach. AI generates possibilities: sonar confusion, illness, following a leader, shallow water errors, even magnetic field shifts. That's a starting point, not an answer. Here's the loop students can run. Ask, predict, generate with AI, verify, revise belief. First, we ask, why do whales beach? Before we even touch AI, we predict. Students make their own guess. Maybe they follow a sick leader. Now we bring in AI to generate more options. It might list sonar confusion, illness, or magnetic fields. Next comes verify. Students check these against real evidence sources, or even design a test. If sonar is the cause, we should see more strandings near naval activity. Finally, they revise their belief. My leader idea seems weaker, but the sonar link looks stronger. This process turns curiosity into a habit. AI feeds options, but students are the ones who test and decide. This isn't just about whales or fire alarms or science class. Curiosity is future-proof. AI can surface information, but it can't decide what's worth asking. That's our job and our students' job. Try a question-first option tomorrow. Then tell me in the comments what's the best student challenge you got back.